Bangkok's nightlife begins at 7 p.m. But I am back to my hotel room by 7 p.m. Saktat gharat. I am so boring, isn't it? Anyway, let me show you what I did throughout the day. There's no view on this side. It's just a large, bright window. I liked the room. Thank you. Finally heading out at 12 in the afternoon. Thank you. So actually, I got to know about this hotel from an Instagram reel that I had watched and saved the name of this hotel 4-5 years ago at least. And इस साल मैंने फिर उसके रिव्यूज़ देखे और डिसाइड किया कि यहाँ जा सकता हूँ. मोस्ट ऑफ देम वर गुड. सो हियर आई एम. 4-5 साल पहले की हुई चीज़ इस साल यूज़फुल हुई. बिफोर इट स्टार्ट्स रेनिंग अगेन, लेट मी हेड आउट. The only small tiny downside I would say is that you have to walk in 200-300 meters through a shortcut. Walk in from the BTS. That's the only little downside, but the hotel itself is pretty good. Where is the shortcut? Okay. ये ना ऐसे कैफ़ेज़ मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. Cute little cafe. Same thing here. It's a cute little massage parlor. That's the BTS SkyTrain का स्टेशन. Not very far, but थोड़ा सा वॉक करना पड़ता है. Vehicles are so patient कि they don't crush you. They wait. They wait and see whether you are crossing the road, and then they decide whether to move ahead or not. This is also very nice, unusual building. जो लोग नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड खाते हैं ना, देयर जर्नी हेयर विल बी अ टैड बिट मोर comfortable than mine for sure, because food will not be an issue at all. You can just walk in and have chicken. At least you get it everywhere. I tend to forget कि मैं भी tourist हूँ and I have equal rights. गे करके मैंने unnecessarily marginalize कर दिया है अपने आप को. This is the main road. This is the BTS. Let them go. लड़के तो इतने क्यूट है ना, बाप रे. माई टाइप. नो हेयर टॉप टू बॉटम. Wow, look at that view. Hello, can I get 10 coins and 900 notes?
Sorry?
10 coins, 10
sorry,
baht, 10.
cannot change, but you can buy ticket from here.
Okay.
Would you like to go?
This National Stadium.
For 100?
Yes.
68. Thank you.
Thank you. The stairs are also so nice and colorful. My favorite color yellow is coincidentally used here as an honor to the king. I don't know the reason behind that, but that's my favorite color, coincidentally. I remember the first time my mother and I had come here, and we were able to exchange big notes for small currency, but now we can't.
Attention, please mind the gap between train and next station, National Stadium, Terminal Station. Thank you.
Yay! Always happy to be back here. Is it visible? I have lowered the brightness so much that I can't see anything. Shopping heaven कहते हैं ना. No, I was not showing my baldness. Let me sit. I'm tired already without even buying anything. Excuse me.
Hello.
Walking towards the food zone with the hope to find some vegetarian food. Sixth floor is the food court. I'm at the third floor, searching for the sixth floor. Searching for a way to go to the sixth floor, I mean. So I'm here right now. I have to go to the food court, sixth floor. Coke. Coke. Yes. I've kept my bags there. हाँ ये स्टोर हाँ पे इस कोने मतलब एंड तक नहीं आया हूँ मैं शायद. थक जाते हैं चल चल के. तो खायचा प्रश्न सुटला बँकॉकमध्ये. थोडीशी महाग आहे बट इट्स ओके. ये जो बैठा है ये हॉट है बट नॉट माई टाइप. केवढं सुंदर रेस्टॉरंट आहे. Happy, satisfied and re-energized for the remaining walk and shopping. Found a good place to sit. So I came from here and I have bought something here. Yay! So I've reached BTS Prompong station and I'm taking the exit 6 to go to the Benchasiri Park, which I have never seen. That is probably a new park in Bangkok. I really like all the creativity and colors here. Very nice. I'm taking the elevator. Extremely tired. Yay! I found it. This park was on my checklist items, so I had to come here. It's not a very big park, not as big as Benja Kitty Park, I think, but it's nice, worth a visit. I hadn't thought in my wildest dreams as well that I would meet a known guy from India here in Bangkok, Premanand. It was so much fun. We coordinated and met in a park, Benchasiri Park, where I had been, and then we came down to a Mariamma Uma Devi temple. We had dinner. That was the most unexpected dinner date ever, unplanned totally. It was so much fun to meet him. And now he's back to his hotel. He grabbed a grab and now I am walking back to my hotel. Extremely tired from all the walking, but I think meeting him re-energized me in a way because it was unexpected we would meet here. I crossed all the roads without dying. So I have to go to the opposite side of this. आ गया। थक नहीं चुका हूँ मैं, मर चुका हूँ. But they have made the bed now. Wow. They have replenished everything. I am extremely tired. My legs have broken into pieces right now. But there is only one thing that I can do now. Can you guess? Keep watching.